Welcome back to our channel, and thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting us. But if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so. And together, we shall make our Biafran dream a reality. Ise. A Yoruba prophet, Primate Elijah Ayodele, warned Nigerians to be prepared for an unprecedented sorrow and hardship in the land because God is against Tinubu and the stolen mandate. Primate Ayodele warned that if Nigerians allows this fraudulent election rigging by fake Buhari to succeed, then Nigerians should not complain because they will witness the greatest sorrow from Fulani and Boko Haram terrorists, hardship, failure, and economic disappointment. Primate Ayodele said the hardship Nigerians faced under fake Buhari's government will be a child's play because the will of the people was stolen. Private Ayodele also said that if Nigerians allow Tinubu to be sworn in as president, then Nigeria would not be regarded internationally. The Fulani political elite carried out this monumental election rigging to cover up all their stolen and looted money from Nigerian treasury, while their terrorists wants to keep up with their killing and kidnapping business and forceful land grabbing agenda. The Fulani Nigerian government is already bribing Western nation ambassadors with oil wells and millions of dollars in order to force their home government to rush and embrace the fraudulent elections results and then congratulate Tinubu because that was the condition majority of the cash and carry Supreme Court judges gave to APC before they can help deliver a favorable judgment that will help Tinubu keep the stolen mandate. The corrupt judges are afraid that if the international community refuses to buy into INEC fraud, it will be very hard for them to deliver the fraudulent judgment with technicalities instead of justice. The criminal judges are also afraid because they are on the spotlight, and whatever they do will not only affect them, but will also affect their children and families. My brothers and my sisters, this is what the fraudulent selection process in Nigeria is all about. They want to steal the mandate from the people. They want to impose a criminal selected by them to rule over Nigeria. But they should let Biafra go peacefully. They should allow Biafra go peacefully. My brothers and my sisters, this is how the Fulani Janjaweed and their collaborators, slaves in the south, are planning. And their plan is to keep oppressing Biafrans and dominating them. This impunity must not be allowed to continue. All the corrupt judges in Nigeria, they must do the right thing. Money is not everything. Good name is better than all the riches and money. If it continues this way, there will be no Nigerian for the one Nigerian unity beggars to live in. And that is why we must all work together to ensure that Biafra is restored. Because anyone supporting evil is also part of that evil. And in the eyes of the Lord, there's no ignorance. There is nothing like I did not know. On the judgment day, Chukwu Okike Abiama will ask, where did you stand when this mandate was stolen from Nigerians by the Fulani Janjaweed? It is over for the Fulani Janjaweed and their collaborators. Even the ones in Biafra land, it is over for them. Because Biafra must be free. No man born of a woman can stop Biafra from being restored. They can delay it, but they cannot stop it. And we are very sure that this year, 2023, is our year of freedom. All the happenings in the zoo called Nigeria is because Chukwu Okike Abiama is fighting for us. It's because Chukwu Okike Abiama wants Biafra to be restored. The enemies of Biafra are doing everything within their powers to stop Biafran restoration. They are doing everything within their powers to legitimize the Fulani fraudulent selection process. But they have failed. It is not going to work because Biafra shall be restored. Either the Fulani Janjaweed and the urchins likes it or not. Chukwu Okike Abiama is a man of war. He's the one that is fighting for us. The good thing is that Biafrans have crossed the Rubicon. We are no longer interested in fraudulent selection processes. Our aim is to ensure the freedom of Biafran people. Our aim is to ensure that Biafra is restored, where Biafrans will prosper, not where they will be killed or kidnapped by the Fulani terrorists masquerading as herdsmen. My brothers and my sisters, thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye for now.